Hello everyone, welcome to Mindful Metrics. And today we will talk about Bro, AI is taking over the world. Nothing can escape this. Soon our life will be controlled by AI. I will lose my job. You will be replaced by AI if you aren't already AI. Bro, I'm not AI. AI is like artificial intelligence. I'm more of a you don't look like you are intelligent. I get it. Do you even know what artificial intelligence means? I know. Like we have natural and organic intelligence and then artificial intelligence where they put some chemical on our brain. What nonsense is that? Are you high or something? No. AI is a computer or a machine that is built to mimic human behavior like Jarvis or wait, Ultron. Bro, he wanted to destroy the world. I'm telling you, we need to stop AI. First of all, Ultron is fiction. And second of all, if it's a machine, how is it a he or any gender? How about her? You know, that movie where AI was the girlfriend? Is that AI? If so, I will finally have a girlfriend in my life. Maybe AI is not that bad. You need to stop talking right now. And today we will talk about AI. Artificial intelligence or AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machine designed to think and act like human. These machines are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation. You see, the term AI was first coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth conference organized by John McCarthy, a mathematics professor at the college. At the time, AI focused on solving mathematical problems and playing simple games. Through the 70s and 80s, AI saw a rise in expert systems. The 90s brought the machine learning, where system could learn from data. And in 2000s, advancement in deep learning allowed AI to tackle more complex problems. Oh my god, I didn't know we were in history class. Bro, I don't care who started AI. We are not sending Terminator to save John Connor so that he can save the world from Skynet. But if we do, we might have to go back and stop John McCarthy, right? Dude, just stop fantasizing. Also in our case, it is most likely to be Geoffrey Hinton, also known as Godfather of AI. But even he has raised concern over increasing power of AI in several of his interviews. We can talk about that in future videos. But for now, let me just give you some examples so that you get a better understanding of what AI is. Bro, you have a smartphone, right? Do you ever adjust your screen brightness? Yes, I do. I have to increase brightness in sunlight. But indoors I just reduce it. But mostly I just turn on the auto brightness feature so that I won't have to do it all the time. There you go. The phone senses the brightness of the environments and adjusts its own. That's an example of rule-based AI, where daily menial tasks are performed by machine based on predefined rules. Basic text-to-speech, spell checkers, industrial automation, and even fraud detection system in financial institute are some of the example of rule-based AI. That's it? I thought there would be more into the concept of AI. Well, there is more to it. What we described so far is more of an early stage of AI. As they are based on predefined rule, they are more reliable and consistent compared to any human, but they cannot learn or adapt. That's where we have the context-based AI, which is more adaptable to the environment and can learn from the data. These AI systems use algorithms and computational models to process information, learn from data, and make informed decisions or predictions. Now we are talking. I thought that's what AI is all about. Well, you are not alone. Anyways, based on the capabilities, these type of AI can be further categorized as narrow AI, general AI, or super intelligent AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is one of the most common type of AI designed to perform specific tasks. It operates within a limited context and cannot generalize beyond its programming. For example, a narrow AI designed for image recognition can identify any object in an image because it has been trained on a dataset of images with labeled objects, not because it understands what an object is. Some of the common narrow AI in our daily lives are voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. These are designed to understand and respond to voice command, like setting an alarm or making phone calls. So these are like rule-based AI, but with an added layer, huh? Yeah, but that added layer is powered by machine learning, and those machine learning models are trained on data. With better quality and quantity of data, these AI can even surpass human beings on specific tasks, but yeah, they can. For example, you know about Amazon, right? They used to sell books through their website, but one of the most important factor for their meteoric rise is credited to their recommendation engine that recommends what product to buy based on what others have also bought. Similarly, Netflix, a company that used to rent out DVDs by mail, in 2006, they released data of 100 million anonymous movie ratings and challenged data scientists all over the world to build a recommendation engine that could beat their existing system. And the prize money was $1 million. And did someone build that? Oh yeah, a group called Billcore Pragmatic Chaos won the competition. Although Netflix never ended up using that model, but what they did was they improved their own recommendation engine and have practically changed the way we binge content today. Bro, if they never even used their model for which they paid $1 million, why bother bringing that up? Bro, the point is these companies saw the power of AI early on and implemented that into their business. Today Amazon is worth $1 trillion, whereas Netflix is worth around $300 billion. And there are so many such examples where companies have used AI to their advantage and have become super successful today. Because AI is faster, more efficient and less prone to human error. And replace human and take their jobs? What about that? Well, that's one way to look at it. Another way is that they make humans smarter. Today you can just Google anything on your smartphone and get thousands of responses within a second. And then look at only the first two results. Yeah, you're right. But just 15 years ago, no one could even imagine that. Think about ChatGPT. You can ask question to it and it will respond just like a human being. Before November 2022, people couldn't even imagine that. Today coders are using it to write better code or even debug their own code. In fact, thanks to this, anyone can be a coder today. Then there are other examples like Midjourney or Runway that uses AI to generate art. People are even using AI to mimic voices, write lyrics for their songs and script for their content. Isn't that taking away job from artists and writers? Well, not exactly. Because when you use AI to write your script, people can tell, or at least smart people can tell. But yeah, it does take away job from mediocre artists and writers and even mediocre coders. But then the value of good artist or even a good coder increases significantly. You see, AI is not taking away everything, but rather push us to get better at our job or be replaced by it. Okay, I get it. AI is good or it can be good if used properly. But that's it, right? That's the capability of AI. Please tell me that we stopped at this point. Oh, sweet child of mine. I wish that was the case. General AI, also known as strong AI, can understand, learn and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, similar to a human. A true general AI should be capable of executing human-level tasks and abilities that no existing computer can achieve. This level of AI is still theoretical and has not yet been achieved, although we are making a lot of progress in this area thanks to the development of ChatGPT from OpenAI and other big companies who are working towards it. So far we have only been able to achieve narrow AI, and that surpasses human in specific tasks. So theoretically, a strong AI would be able to surpass human being in all aspects, right? Well, theoretically it's not impossible, but to achieve that, we need massive computational capabilities. Think about it like this. Currently, our audience is watching this video on their smartphone or their TV or even laptop, which means they are listening to the audio at the same time looking at their phone and processing all these visuals, thinking to themselves, why doesn't the audio and video match? If they have already watched this kind of content on YouTube and whether this is actually important for them or not, or maybe they are just scrolling the YouTube page to see what they want to watch next, while thinking to themselves, how did he know that? This must be AI. Wondering if this video deserves a like and the channel is worth subscribing to. Well, the brain doesn't stop there. It is constantly telling the body to keep on breathing, is aware of whether the body is sitting or lying down, and trying to decide if this is the best position for their body to be in, and most probably smiling to themselves, thinking how good I was able to predict and also everything that I failed to predict about their situation. You see, our brain is constantly working on so many things, like processing video capture through our eye, which is the highest quality possible, right? And then we have hundreds of sounds coming through our ears, a lot of odors coming through our nose, and we are processing it all at the same time while making decision. If we have to compare the computational power of our brain, it is way too superior than any supercomputer that exists today. To be able to achieve this capability, it would take another 8 to 10 years or even more. I'm not sure, but I don't even know how to react to that. But honestly, at this moment, I'm more curious than scared of it. Well, the next topic might scare you. Super intelligent AI is a hypothetical form that surpasses human intelligence in all aspects. While it's a fascinating concept, it remains speculative and a topic for much debate. This is what you would describe to be your fictional characters like Ultron or Jarvis. Yeah, but if general AI is not a reality, this is also not a reality, right? But you mean to compare it with Ultron or Vision? I think Jarvis is still a narrow AI, right? Well, I beg to differ. Remember this scene?
Hello, Dr. Banner.
Ultron didn't go after Jarvis because he was angry. He attacked him because he was scared.
Now here, Jarvis decided on its own that it needs to protect nuclear weapons because it is one of the most destructive weapons known to mankind. Or what about this scene? Just check this out.
How quickly can we buy this building?
If you want to buy a building, there's a lot of paperwork that is involved. Even for the richest human, it would take some time to even buy a building before they can decide to destroy it. It just seems way too superficial and not possible for any narrow AI to be able to do this. I have another question though. Is Ultron possible? If we can create a super intelligent AI, is it possible that it would turn out like Ultron or maybe Skynet? Well, that's a very good point. So far we know that to make AI intelligent, we need to train it on data, which comes from human. Now, for an AI to conclude that the best chance for protection of Earth, we need to cut a piece of land, fly it off into the space, and throw it back so that humans go extinct. Either it's completely insane or it must be trained on data that concludes the same. Which means most of the human, or at least smart humans who are posting it on internet, creating the data, they also conclude that this is the best scenario for the protection of Earth. So maybe AI is not our biggest enemy, but the humans are. Bro, why would you say that? Maybe AI is trained on this video will come to that same conclusion. Oh god, what if Arnold Schwarzenegger travels through time to stop us? That's a fascinating thing to think about. Well, if it does comes to stop us, that means our channel will be a big deal in the future with billions of subscribers. And even this video would have performed very well with thousands of likes and comments and millions of views. Oh yeah, that would be nice. Folks, that part is up to you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell. Also, leave a comment below to let us know how do you think AI is going to impact us in future.